It's time to stop trying to convince your minimum viable market that they need your services, because the truth is, as we work in TPG Writes and Magnetic Emails, the bespoke consulting management agency that specializes in retention, email marketing, and messaging strategy, what we're seeing is that clients who come to us, clients who even come to our clients, do not need the how to's, the foundational insights in your finance industry, whether you're in tax relief, whether you're in creative services, even if you're in healthcare, because we have had a few clients come in that were ex nurses, ex doctors, mental health practitioners. So if you have a small firm and you're like, gosh, how do I get these clients to book us? What am I doing wrong with my emails? Listen, stop trying to convince them. The right client does not need convincing on the industry or the strategy that you have. They need to refine what they know already works. For example, for us, that looks like our clients come in, they already write their emails, they're already invested into their lead generation strategy. They don't need talk about, okay, here's how to start acquiring your lead gen strategy. Here's how this is the benefit of having email marketing for the first time. No, you have to go up a level and solve a more sophisticated problem in your industry. For email marketing, that looks like retention, SMS, using omnichannel in email marketing. Now, for your finance firm, for your healthcare firm, that could look like going deeper into the strategy, more sophisticated, refining what they're already using. Even if you were someone that is a nutrition clinic or a nutritionist, what you would do, you're not going to tell the audience, hey, this is why you need to eat broccoli. They're already eating broccoli. You need to refine their calorie intake and go more in depth into your specific industry. This is the mind hack and the mindset strategy you need to come out on top in 2025, because we all know when you're in high ticket services, when you own a bespoke firm, whether it's consulting, workshops, whatever it is, if you're a keynote speaker, whatever you're doing on the corporate side, you're not solving beginner problems. You're solving advanced level issues that your buyer is experiencing. This is a good time to jot out your notes, to get a piece of paper, and to write down the buyer belief statements that they must have to even invest in your offers in the first place, so that when your sales team even receives the incoming consultations and when they're speaking to people, they can already gauge how ready this buyer is going to be to invest, and they can start to pre-qualify this client. This is how you want to look at your email strategy, because your email marketing is all about pre-qualifying the strategy for your sales team to go out and close the deal. Or if you have a sales page and a website that allows your clients to just go ahead and book your services without getting on a consultation. Most people don't have that when it's like a multi 7 8 figure firm, but if you do, then you want to think about writing that sales page copy with that in mind. It's all about sophisticated buyers in 2025. It's all about the minimum viable market. You do not need to do any more convincing. You are an expert and you're right. You have the testimonials and client case studies to prove it. Now it's just about getting that information in front of the right buyer, which is the smallest level of the market, which believes in your brand and believes in the places that you're able to take them. Talk soon.